Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about the another chapter of the S block elements, chapter 9, chemistry first year English medium. In previous class we discussed about the preparation of the sodium hydroxide. It is also known as a caustic soda, and the properties of the sodium hydroxide. Next another one, uses of the sodium hydroxide. Next another one, preparation of the sodium carbonate and uses. In previous class we discussed about the sodium compound. Remaining another one is the sodium bicarbonate. Today we are going to discuss about the sodium compound of the sodium bicarbonate. Sodium bicarbonate or sodium hydrogen carbonate, it is also known as a sodium hydrogen carbonate or sodium bicarbonate. It is also known as a baking soda. Baking soda, it is prepared from the saturated sodium carbonate. Saturated sodium carbonate is passing through the carbon dioxide gas or CO2 gas, then form of sodium bicarbonate. That is also known as a sodium bicarbonate or sodium hydrogen carbonate. It is also known as a baking soda. It is also known as baking soda. Here is the sodium bicarbonate is prepared from the saturated sodium carbonate solution is passing through the carbon dioxide gas, then form of sodium bicarbonate. It is also known as a sodium carbonate Na2CO3. It is also known as washing soda. Sodium carbonate is also known as a washing soda. Saturated sodium carbonate is passing through the carbon dioxide gas solution, then form of sodium bicarbonate. That is the preparation of the sodium bicarbonate. Next another one, uses of sodium bicarbonate. Uses of sodium carbonate. Sodium bicarbonate also used for the baking soda. It is also known as used as a baking soda. Sodium bicarbonate used as a baking soda and in bakeries and essential solution of the wines and pizza and cool drinks. That is the uses of the sodium bicarbonate or baking soda. It is the sodium bicarbonate also called as a baking soda. It is used in the bakeries and essential of solution of wine and pizza. Next one, cool drinks, etc. also used in the essential solution. Next one, sodium bicarbonate used in the fire extinguishers. Sodium bicarbonate also used as a fire extinguishers. Next one, sodium bicarbonate is used as a antacid for the hyperacidity. Here is the sodium bicarbonate also used as a antacid for the hyperacidity. That is the uses of sodium bicarbonate. Next another one, sodium bicarbonate also used as a bakery foods. Here is the sodium bicarbonate also used in the bakery foods. That is the uses of sodium bicarbonate or washing soda. Next one is the preparation of the sodium bicarbonate. Once again, preparation of sodium bicarbonate or sodium hydrogen carbonate. It is also known as a sodium bicarbonate. General formula NaHCO3. It is also called as a baking soda. Next one, preparation of the sodium bicarbonate or sodium hydrogen carbonate. It is prepared by the saturated sodium carbonate. Saturated sodium carbonate is passing through the carbon dioxide gas. Then form of sodium bicarbonate or washing soda. Here is the Na2CO3, that is also known as a washing soda. Here is the sodium carbonate is passing. It is existed as a saturated brine solution of sodium carbonate is passing or treated with the carbon dioxide solution, then form of sodium bicarbonate or sodium hydrogen carbonate. Next one, uses of sodium bicarbonate. It is used as a baking soda. It is used as a baking soda and in the bakeries and essential solution of pizza, cold drinks. Next one, wines. That is the uses of sodium bicarbonate. Next one, sodium bicarbonate used in the fire extinguishers. Sodium carbonate NaHCO3 also used as a fire extinguishers. Next one, sodium bicarbonate also used as a antacid for the hyperacidity. That is the uses of sodium bicarbonate. Next one, sodium bicarbonate also used in the bakery foods and bakery materials. That is the uses of sodium bicarbonates. Next, another one, common salt. Sodium chloride is also known as a common salt or brine solution or rock salt. Brine solution or rock salt. NaCl or common salt or brine solution. Here is the sodium chloride general formula NaCl. NaCl also known as a sodium chloride or brine solution or common salt. Here is the sodium chloride is prepared from the seawater. It is also known as obtained from the seawater. Here the sodium chloride is prepared from the seawater. It is evaporated from the sunlight. Here is the seawater also evaporated by the sunlight. Then the crude NaCl is obtained. Then crude NaCl is obtained. Here is the first one. Common salt. Sodium chloride is prepared from the seawater from the evaporation of the brine solution or evaporation of the from the sunlight. Then the crude NaCl is obtained. Next one, the crude NaCl existed impurities like that sodium sulfate, magnesium sulfate, calcium chloride and calcium sulfate. Those compounds also known as the impurities. Those impurities existed in the crude NaCl compound. Next one, the crude NaCl is recrystallization. The crude NaCl, that is also known as a crude sodium chloride is solution is recrystallized. Then some amount of the water existed. The pure NaCl is obtained. Pure NaCl is obtained. That is the preparation of common salt. The common salt, that is also known as a sodium chloride is prepared from the seawater, then evaporated from the sunlight, then the crude NaCl is obtained. The crude NaCl solution existed some of the impurities like that magnesium chloride or magnesium sulfate, sodium sulfate and calcium sulfate and calcium chloride. Those solutions, those compounds also known as a impurities, those are existed. Crude NaCl. Next one, the crude sodium chloride solution is recrystallized. Then the pure NaCl is obtained. That is the preparation of the sodium chloride. Next, another one, biological importance of Na plus and K plus ion. It is the most important 2 marks question. What is the biological importance of Na plus and K plus ion? Here is the Na plus ion present. The Na plus ion present in the outside of the cell and K plus ion present in the inside of the cell. The K plus ion present in the outside of the cell and K plus ion present in the inside of the cell. Next one, the Na plus ion transfer of amino acids and sugar. The Na plus ion, the Na plus sodium plus ion transfer of amino acids and sugars. Next one, the sodium plus ion oxidizes with the glucose to produce the adenosine triphosphate and revolving of some energy. That is the importance of Na plus ion. The sodium plus ion oxidizes with the glucose, then they produces the adenosine triphosphate and removal of the some energy. Next, another one, the Na plus ion maintain the osmotic pressure of the cell. In this cell, the Na plus ion maintain the osmotic pressure. Next, another one, the Na plus ion are expelled. That is also known as a come out from the cell. That is also known as expelled from the cell. This ion transport activity is also known as a sodium pumping. Next one, but K plus ion are not pumped out in the osmotic pressure or transfer activity of the sodium pumping. That is the biological importance of Na plus ion and K plus ion. Once again, Here is the Na plus ion is the present in the outside of the cell. Next one K plus ion, potassium plus ion present in the inside of the cell. Next another one the Na plus ion transfer of amino acids and sugars. Remaining another one the Na plus ion oxidizes with the glucose, then they produce the adenosine triphosphate and removal of the some amount of energy. Next one Na plus ion maintains the osmotic pressure in the cell. Next another one the Na plus ion are expelled, that is also known as come out from the cell. It is the ions transfer activity is also known as sodium pumping, that is the Na plus ion importance. Remaining another one, but K plus ion are not pumped out in the cell, that is also known as a biological importance of Na plus and K plus ion. Next another one secondary group elements. Here is the first group elements alkali metals are over. Remaining another one the secondary group elements. The secondary group elements also called as the alkaline earth metal. Alkaline earth metal. Those are beryllium. Here is the B. Beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium and barium belongs to secondary group elements. Those elements present in the S block of the periodic table, that is also known as a secondary group elements. The central outermost valence electron configuration is the NH2. N means that the number of s orbital existed 2 electron. That is the outermost total valence electrons are 2 electron that equal to the group number. Which group here is the secondary group elements? The secondary group elements outermost valence electrons are only 2 electron. So here is the outermost valence electron configuration is the NH2. N is that the number of s orbital existed 2 electron, that is the outermost total valence electrons are 2 electron that equal to the group number, that is also known as a secondary group elements. Next one here is the electron configuration and general properties of the secondary group elements. Next another one is the secondary group elements. The secondary group elements also known as a alkaline earth metal. Those are occurs in the earth crust, so it is also called as a alkaline earth metal. Here is the beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium and radium belongs to secondary group elements. Beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium and radium, that is also known as those elements also belongs to a secondary group elements. Those elements are present in S block in the modern periodic table. Next one the oxides of those elements. The oxides of those elements are alkaline nature. Those oxides of those elements existed alkaline nature and found in the earth crust. So it is also called as a alkaline earth metal. The secondary group elements also called as alkaline earth metal. Why? Because of those oxides of those elements existed alkaline nature and found in the earth crust, so it is also called as a alkaline earth metal. The secondary group elements also called as a alkaline earth metal. Why? Because of those oxides of those elements exist in a alkaline nature and found in the earth crust, so it is also called as a alkaline earth metal. Next one the general electron configuration of the secondary group elements is NH2. Here is the N means that the number of s orbital existed 2 electron, that is the general electron configuration is NH2. Next one here is the elements. Z also known as the atomic number. Next one electron configuration. Here is the first element beryllium B also known as a beryllium atomic number 4. Electron configuration inert gas radium electron configuration helium atomic number 2s2. Here is the beryllium atomic number 4, helium 2 plus 2. Here is also known as a 4. Next one, magnesium atomic number 12. Magnesium atomic number 12. Neon atomic number 3. 3s2 10 plus 2 12. That is the atomic number of magnesium. Next one, calcium atomic number 20. Argon atomic number 18. 4s2. Yeah, 20 plus 2 20. 18 plus 2 20. Next another one. Strontium atomic number 38. Krypton atomic number 36. Is the 5s2. That is the atomic number 38. Strontium. Next one, barium atomic number 56. Xenon atomic number 54. 6s2. Next one, radon atomic number 88. They are also known as a radium. Radium atomic number 88. Radon atomic number 86. Here is the outermost configuration 7s2. All elements, the outermost cell consists of only 2s2, 3s2, 4s2, 5s2, 6s2, 7s2. So all secondary group elements outermost cell consists the only 2 electron. So it is also called as a secondary group elements. In all beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium and radium, all elements outermost cell consist only 2 electron, so it is also called as a secondary group elements. Next one, general characters of the secondary group elements or occurrence of the secondary group elements.